What's up, everyone? It's probably been like, I don't know, a year and a half, almost 2 years since I made another YouTube video. I do this every time, but we made a lot of changes to the shop, so I thought I'd give everyone a little bit of a tour. Here I'm up front in our display area. It is completely under construction, but last time you saw it had nothing on the wall. But here I had done a little like fence stuff. I wallpapered a brick wall. I got the Harley sitting up here. Some, giveaway shirts. I did a grass wall back there. This rack's kind of on the wall. Everything is set is a little messy, but thought I'd just show everyone, it's a working shop. Painted that wall black. This is the conference room. I think it was pretty much empty the last time I showed it. Big whiteboard, TV. We got the mini fridge and the table. I'm currently working on it. I have stuff everywhere. But yeah, it's coming along. Over here we got a little blank sample room. I made it kind of look like a walk-in closet. So we have all my favorite hoodies that I like to sell customers, t-shirts, more t-shirts, and you get the point. A lot of t-shirts. That's what we do here at the Shirt Printing Company. We print t-shirts. A lot of t-shirts everywhere. Let's see, we got to get all the lights to turn on in here. The whole building's on motion lights. We filled this up with fulfillment racks. We've filled up all these now. I think before in the last video we only had 2 of these rows built out, and now we have 4 full ones, 2.5 half ones, and we're currently running out of room again. Back before we had 2 Melcos that we weren't using, but now we have a 6-head T-mark and an 8-head T-mark that both get pretty much used every single day. There's a bunch of different hats and samples just hanging around everywhere. So yeah, now we're into embroidery, 2 full machines. We run a full 8-hour shift on both. So yeah, I think in the last video we had 2 broken embroidery machines that we didn't even use. Dark room, looking pretty nice. Pretty well kept for a dark room. We have 2 washout booths, a bigger one, a smaller one. The actual dark side of the room. Coated screens ready to get burned. Big Epson film printer, that's an upgrade from the last video. Exposure unit's the same, PRU board, the mess of films. We gotta get onto CTS soon and get rid of this film. Film is a nightmare, but it works for the time being. Got the offices still up top. The lights are popping on as we walk through. More things. We got a pool table now in the break room. It's pretty sweet. Play pool quite a bit on lunch. We switched our shipping software, so now if you see, everything is got barcodes on it, barcoded items. So our picking pack is much more accurate for our customers. They're loving it. We built these little shipping systems. I built these with these arcade buttons. So when you click this button, it tells the system that we're shipping it in this size box there for, each different section to buy the shipping labels. All the fulfillment racks, more and more of them. We have 2 of these shipping stations and a 3rd one there that we're not using, but we'll grow into it here shortly. Here's just the big open area in the middle of the shop. Got to keep it open because this is our only garage door for when the mail gets picked up every day. We use these big gailers, kind of like that. We're using it for something else, but usually that's filled with packaging, with packages going to their final customers. Here's our deep storage section. Jobs lined up for screen printing down here. Here, up top's kind of all just deep storage for our clients or shipping boxes, materials, different cups, squares, backpacks, all kinds of stuff. Carts with jobs on them. It's Sunday right now, so no one's here, so everything's not in full production at the moment. They gotta fix that air vent still. But we have AC in here now. We have the 8-color rock, the 12 colors over there. The big dryer, that's the same. We didn't have this press in the last video, so now we have a 12 color over here. The 8 was in the last video. Our Pantone collection's quite building up. We've been doing a lot of custom Pantone work for customers, so all different custom colors there. Another rack of it there. Mixing station there. A sea of screens that we're saving for jobs that we all run a few times a month for the same client. So nice storage of screens there, production tables, heat presses, trash. They need to take the trash out. But yeah, we have a big update. The embroidery machines, the 12 color, whole new fulfillment software. Here's some hoodies right here that came off press that are getting ready to get barcoded and folded for the shipping system right there. So yeah, kind of cool. This is only a quick little 5-minute video, or be 6, 7, or by the end of it. But yeah, embroidery machines, a 12 color, more coming this year, obviously. I just wanted to make a quick little YouTube video and walk around the shop and tell everyone kind of what's new here at Detroit Printing Company. Quite a bit has changed, but hope you guys enjoyed.